Graphical representation of cumulative frequency distribution. Children, when we learn median, that time we discussed this example where n is 53. We already discussed table 14.12. Okay, so to find out median using formula, we need to find out here CF. So for the class interval 0 to 10, CF will be 5, and for the class interval 10 to 20, what will be CF? It will be 5 plus 3, 8. So this way we have find out CF for all the class interval. Then with this we learn less than and more than type cumulative frequency distribution also. Let's discuss first less than type. In children, in less than type, we always consider upper limit of class interval. So if you can see here, less than 10, 20, 30, 40 till 100 are all the upper limit of class interval from the above table. Then what is CF? Now only I discuss. CF is 5, 8, 12, 15 till 53. And if we discuss more than type, you will see we are taking here 0, 10, 20, 30. All these are what? They are the lower limits of the respective class interval. And in the CF column, you can see we are starting here with 53. And what is 53? 53 is N. So this thing you need to understand that when we are talking, we are considering more than type, we always start with N in CF column. And if we are talking about less than, in the CF column, our last value will be N. So let's discuss first how to represent this less than type graphically. We know how to use formula to find out median. Let's understand how to find out median when we'll plot this less than and more than CFs on a graph. Now, when we plot children, we know it is x-axis, y-axis, and we need ordered pair. So let's start with the very basic thing. Children, on x-axis we will take upper limit, and on y-axis we will take CF. That means come to table 14.13. On x-axis what you are going to take? You are going to take 10, 20 till 100. And on y-axis what you are going to take? You are going to take 5, 8, 12 on this y-axis. Scale you can decide. Then the scale may not be same on both the axes. Third point, for plotting this we need ordered pair. So here what will be the ordered pair? 10, 5, 20, 8, 30, 12. All these will be your ordered pair. So your ordered pair will be this till 100, 53. Now we are ready to plot less than on the graph. See, on x-axis you can see all the upper limits. On y-axis we have taken CF, and scale is of your choice. It depends on CF and upper limit, children. Then this curve is called a cumulative frequency curve or an ogive. It is also known as less than ogive. It is also known as less than ogive. Now, similarly, we can plot more than also on the graph. Same way here ordered paired will be what? It will be first 0, 53, second will be 10, 48, similarly till 90, 90, 8. Correct? So let's see the graph for the same. This is known as more than ogive, where on the x-axis we have taken children lower limits, y-axis CF is there, and you can see all the ordered pair. We just need to put it and then just join this pair, children, freehand. You just need to join the points. Now, after understanding how to plot it on the graph, now the question is how to find median from this graph. How to find median from this cumulative frequency graph, children, or cumulative frequency curves. Let's see. Here it is. We know that this is, suppose we are discussing less than or give. If you can see here, what is it? Again, I have taken the same less than or give. N is 53, therefore n by 2 is 26.5. Okay. Now the next is locate this 26.5 on y-axis. So this 26 will come somewhere here. Okay. From this point, draw a line which is parallel to x-axis cutting the curve at a point. So from here, you will draw a line, and from this point you will drop a perpendicular on x-axis. So the point of intersection of this perpendicular with the x-axis determines median of the data. So let's see this. You're going to get this graph, children. Can you see? And it is cutting in between 60 to 70. So that will give you your median, which is approximately 66.4. So this way we learn how to find out median using graph, using CF curve. Now the question is, what if we draw both ogives, that is both less than type also and more than type also, on the same axis? So on the same xy axis, if you will draw both curves for less than also or more than also, then what we are going to get? Can you see this? Yes. So here we plotted both the curves, less than also and more than also. So definitely both the curves are going to intersect at a point. From this point, if we draw a perpendicular on the x-axis, the point at which it cuts the x-axis gives us the median. So this way, children, we learn how to find out median using less than, more than CF curves.